It's like I got about an inch almost, maybe 3/4 of an inch of rain just this morning, and I got more coming later on today. But we'll go out here while we got a break in the rain. We'll go out here and look at that creek. You see how it's flooding over, and take some videos so this summer when it dries out I know what to fix. So let's get it in the side by side. We'll go down here and check it out. Boy done crashed over. Wow. Yeah, I definitely got to rent an excavator. Get that, maybe try to get it a little deeper. Wow. It's coming. Let's go downhill to the bridge. Yeah, I cleared that ravine out earlier this year. Get the tractor down in there in the cut, but it's all flooded. Okay, let's get on down here. Look at that! Wow, that bridge is pretty much another 2, maybe 3 inches. The bridge would be total under the water, and it's in a bad spot, but can't do anything about it. But I want to make this a little bit deeper, and maybe it'll hold more water. That's my thinking. What it does, it leaves and go down. There's a creek over there that it goes to, and it goes to 2 other properties, and they get water for their cows and stuff like that. But it's at crest. We're supposed to have some more rain tonight. Supposed to be actually thunderstorms tonight, so this is definitely gonna be all flooded out. I just wanted to come down and see it. Yeah. So I'll get an excavator. I was going to clean all that out. Just get everything out. You see how the water is turning there? Yeah, that corner needs to come out so it can just flow straight, because it creates erosion when it turns like that and spin. It just makes the mouth wider and wider. So that whole corner needs to come out. Yeah, I know this was always low. Oh, we feed the deer. That's another little polo. It's a fence, you probably can't see it, but I don't know how many yards out there, but it's a big old drop off, and it's probably filled with water by now. But anyway, that's what it is. Okay, I think this is it.